guys, welcome back to Alex's channel. We are going to do the best men's gift guide of 2020. You don't need to watch anybody else's. I have picked out the best gifts. I think I got about 15. What do you say, Alex? 15 gifts?
A lot of gifts for
I went shopping early and I picked out the best ones. You can check out our previous years. I think I've been doing this for a couple years and I'm not going to keep going too long. So subscribe. Join Alex's channel, get her to 1 million, and Alex will have a coordinating blog post on goodtobebyalexgarza.com in the description box. Check it out. Let's get on into the video. And make sure you give it a big thumbs up because I'm pretty nervous. I got the big lights on me, and that would mean a lot to me. Get it on the trending page or something, right?
Okay, perfect.
Okay, first up.
What do you want to talk about first?
My assistant over here is going to bring me something. So let's just be honest, 2020 has kind of been a crap year, and a lot of us have turned to drinking. Me included. So first up, we are doing the bartender kit. I do not have one, and I've been making do myself, which has been, it's been good, I would say. Sometimes the pours are a little heavy on accident, but we're gonna open this up, check it out, and I'll show you what's inside. So as you can see inside the box, you can get a shaker, like a couple shot glass pour little things, stainless steel, nice little mixer, and it comes in this nice little storage. Lazy Susan's what these are called.
Yeah.
And what else? There's just a bunch of stuff. In here, you have corkscrews, you got a couple pours, a beer opener, and muddler, and a couple straws, and ice tongs. So, if you're going to use this and put this to the test, you got to know how to use it, which leads me to my next gift. So I would say I'm definitely not the experienced bartender. Mainly my drink has been just pouring Tito's into something. But we're going to try to learn a little more. This is a nice little coffee book, and it's actually booze and vinyl. So they have a bunch of recipes that kind of coordinate with albums. So it's a nice little book. I just started checking it out. It tells you how to make a mojito. This is inspired by Johnny Cash. So even if you're not the biggest a drinker, this will be a nice little coffee book in your man cave, and maybe you'll learn a thing or two. It's really interesting.
That is
What do
really
you think?
cool.
Yeah, it's just a nice little hardcover book. It is called Booze and Vinyl, and we're going to put it to the test, and maybe 2021 things will be a little bit better. So, to wake up the next morning after your night of drinking by yourself in your house, all alone, we are going to move on to Ember. It's an electric, I would say this is like a heating coffee mug. You can like keep it heated on the plate. So if you're super busy working from home, you can operate it through a smartphone app, and you can change the temperature to make sure you actually get to drink your whole coffee. If you're like me and you get busy in the morning, you don't really finish it and you have to microwave it a couple times, and then it's just not that good after that. So if you can keep it on this, it's a nice little invention from Ember. So we are going to stay with breakfast. Early morning stuff. My assistant is going to be handing me a box. Nice little novelty item from Hamilton Beach. Our friend suggested this to us. It is a breakfast sandwich maker. She swears by it. She said it's better than an Egg McMuffin. That's what she says.
Wow.
Cook delicious breakfast sandwiches in the comfort of your own home. So this is what it looks like when you take it out. Nice little candy apple red. You got your 3 little plates here, so you can make any type of sandwich you want, any breakfast meat, any type of meat, bacon, sausage. You put the egg like this, slide it, and then you slam down your sandwich, egg, cheese. You got your McDonald's at home. We're not leaving the house, and we are getting the best sandwich we can get. So I just made my first sandwich. Alex made it for me, actually.
It's like a perfect circle. Wow, that's pretty cool.
I didn't use meat this time because we didn't have any, but this looks great.
Yeah.
I mean, this looks like Egg McMuffin.
Pretty cool.
So you know you've officially hit dad mode when you buy yourself one of these. This cooks bacon in the microwave perfectly. It's a minute per slice. You drape the bacon over this, and then it cooks it perfectly, and all the grease drips into here. So it's super easy to clean up. All the grease actually just collects in here, and then you can just toss the grease and then put it right in the dishwasher. It is dishwasher safe, and this is really nice and heavy duty. Supposedly makes the perfect bacon. So we love breakfast. Breakfast is the biggest, most important meal of the day, and I've cured all your breakfast needs. Next up, let's move into fashion. We're gonna show these shoes. Alex got me these for Father's Day. I actually have another pair of these, and I have a green one, and then this is kind of like a tan, but we're showing the tan today. And I actually wore these when we went to Vail and Jackson Hole and wore these in the snow. They're not boots or anything, but they actually were surprisingly warm, and they're leather, so they were waterproof, so it's kind of a nice shoe to use in the winter, and I just think it looks cool, looks good with jeans. You can either keep the jeans up above the high part that comes above, kind of above your ankle, or you can drape it over. I'm not really into boots, I'm more of a sneaker guy, but this is kind of the closest I will get to that. Next, we'll move into these sweatshirt and jackets that I picked out. I will include clips and model them for you. So the sweatshirt I really like, it's just plain, simple, black. Got some little writing on here. You can either dress it up or dress it down. What I really like about this, besides that it's really soft, is the drawstring here, so you can kind of cinch it to your waist a little bit if it's a little too big. I got this in a medium, and I think it pairs perfectly with this jacket. So if you guys watched last year's gift guide, I also showed a bomber jacket that was exactly like this one from Top Man. That one was navy, but this one is black. These jackets are surprisingly super warm and nice, and it's perfect for weather like we have here in Nashville. And they're just super easy to pack because they fold really nice and tight, and they're lightweight. I hate wearing heavy jackets. So if you were to get them the jacket, they could also wear the sweatshirt. And don't forget the shoes, they have their jeans, and you just made your husband look super cool. So speaking of travel, I think it's always important to get the man in your life a nice little dop kit. This one is from Dagny Dover. It's in gray, and I have a couple of these. I absolutely love them. I like having them all over the house, fits all my things, and it comes in these nice little pouches so you can kind of like separate if you needed like your razor, your nail clippers, if you didn't want that stuff brushing up against your toothbrush. Comes like this, pretty nice big size. This always fits everything I need. Since we go for longer trips, I usually probably pack a lot more than what your average guy would use for maybe like a week vacation. So this has always fit like huge face cleansers, sunscreens, deodorants. I have a huge electrical toothbrush that I bring. Always fits in this. And if you see your husband's dop kits, they always get super messy with shaving cream, maybe deodorant, toothpaste. These are washable, so you can just throw them in the wash, and they always come out looking brand new. And it also comes with this extra little carrier, so you can put all your needs in here. And I just really like it. I think this is the best dop kit I've ever had. So this is my favorite gift of the gift guide. We are going to move into tech. It is this wireless phone charger, and it actually just comes apart like this. So this is wireless, which I've never used before until I got this. Super nice, just setting your phone on here. So you just plug this in through a USB port, and then you connect with your AirPod and Apple Watch charger. So the magnetic part of the Apple Watch, if you have one of those, which if your husband doesn't have, that's another great gift. You put the magnetic charger right in here, slap your Apple Watch on there, and it's perfect. What I love about this is I had one last year, which I believe I showed. It's a huge set. It just doesn't collapse, so it just takes up so much space. This is just so nice and small, and then it's super lightweight, and it works awesome. I also really think wireless headphones are a necessity now, especially working from home. It's nice to walk around the house. You got your headphones in. You can still be listening to your work, listening to your podcast, listening to the Alex and Michael Vlogmas videos that will be coming out soon. But Alex and I both have AirPods, and I just really love this little case from KeyBuds, just so we know whose is whose. Make sure that's important because they connect through Bluetooth. Also really excited to try these ones out. These are from Bose. These are the Quiet Comfort 35, the second, or double I. And these are noise canceling. So this is really important also if you've been working from home recently and the kids can't go to school, or if you work at home with your wife or something, you can make sure you're not hearing any outside noise. And I can also say that the AirPods sometimes will irritate my ears, so I'm just excited to kind of use these above the head, over the ears, and I will let you know how much I love them. So I'm really excited about this projector. Our movie theater actually went out of business. It was a Regal, and that's been my favorite thing to do for years, has been to go to movies. So with COVID, you got to bring the movie theater to you. So we have this home theater projector, and it will wirelessly stream from your phone through the Wi-Fi, 720p. Just hook it up to your wall, let it play, and then you can play whatever's on your phone. And this gift is just a nice little fun thing to do. Make it a date night with your husband. Get some popcorn. Maybe use your bartender keeper. Got your book. You got yourself a nice little date with this at-home projector. And you can't have a movie theater date without some candy. This is from Sugarfina. It's their holiday sips. It's kind of like their, what do you call these things?
They're like drink-inspired candies.
Drink-inspired? But like, what do they call them? Like when it's a little kid? Is it just like a kid?
Oh, they call it like a bento box.
So this is cranberry cocktail bears, and I've actually ate quite a bit of these. These are my favorite, the espresso martini. They're like little chocolate balls. And spiked eggnog bears. So you can have all this. It's just a nice little fun little gift you could do. I also think this is like a perfect gift that you want to buy someone for that maybe you're not super close with, like a coworker, maybe a teacher or something like that. Just comes with 3 little pieces of candy. They also have like a bigger set, but this is the one I chose.
We ate it all.
Yeah, we ate it all. Julian ate it all as well. But if you could get this for your husband or your boyfriend, significant other, you got a nice little date with your at-home projector. This holiday season, we're going to stay healthy. We're going to kill anything that's on our phone. Any germs, any COVID germs, any flu germs. We're just going to kill it because the phone is actually probably the most disgusting thing in the world, because I know we all take our phones and sit on the toilet, stream a little TikTok, watch some YouTube videos. Don't act like you don't do it. So this is a phone charger actually. Plug it in wirelessly. Uses UV light to kill off all the germs. I think it's 99.9% of the germs. And it works perfectly. I've been using it the last couple days. It's really nice. I think, how long does it take to charge, Alex?
20 minutes.
20 minutes to clean it?
The sanitizing cycle is 20 minutes.
So if you've been concerned about COVID, cleaning your phone, cleaning your groceries like we all used to do for a second there, check out this one from Lexan. It's a nice little phone charger, and it's kind of discreet. Doesn't really look like one, does it? So you can kind of have it.
It kills COVID, but
It says 99.9% of germs.
okay.
So it's going to kill COVID.
Okay.
Crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys check out the blog post as well. Everything will be linked in the description. Hope you guys check it out. I think you guys are really going to like these gifts, and your husband, boyfriend, significant others will like them as well. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel where you can see more of me with Alex on our vlogs. We will be doing Vlogmas for the fifth year.
And beauty gift guides next.
Beauty gift guide next, and we're going to do just a ton of gift guides. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, and all your holiday shopping needs will be met, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.